What's up, RestoMods? This is Chris. We're here at the Performance Online Cruise in South Orange County. We brought up the 69 Charger RM13. There's a ton of cool cars here. We're gonna have fun, look at all these cars, take a cruise, and then come back at the end and give away some cool prizes. Guys, that's a wrap on the Performance Online Orange County invasion. We did the cruise, we saw a ton of cool cars, met a bunch of cool people. If you're ready to take a car to a cruise like this or a car event, you could be taking this 1969 Dodge Charger. Go to RestoMods.com, claim your entries today. We give away a car every 3 months. Right now it's this 1969 Dodge Charger, so do not miss out. Go get your entries at RestoMods.com.